Hey guys, so we're gonna do the build on the RM 2006 RM65, and I forgot to do the intro, but so for y'all can get excited, the bike is already built, and I'm just gonna show you a little bit so I don't spoil the whole video. I forgot to do the intro, that's why I'm doing the intro right now, but the bike is already built, and the bike is right there. I'm not gonna spoil the video, but make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so this is the case. Now I'm working on taking the crankshaft out of here. I took the first case out. That's the case. And somehow I gotta get the crankshaft out of there. I gotta make sure the transmission is running good. And if I say something wrong or something I did it wrong, put in the comments so I can learn. I'm not an expert at this, but I'm trying. Yeah. Okay, so I took the crankshaft out, and now the next step is to get that bearing out of there. I have to heat it up or somehow. I look up on YouTube. I don't want to damage the cases too much, so I think I'm gonna heat it up. And this is the transmission case, where the transmission is at, and the kit comes with the new bearings, so I don't have to worry about damaging those bearings. Okay, so this is the old crankshaft, and it has that plate right there because the bike ran without two-stroke oil, and that's what can happen to your bike. It could have that plate right there after a long time of using it without oil. And this is the new crankshaft. This is the fresh crankshaft that I just bought. We're gonna put it on in a minute. And that's the old one with the piston. You see the piston, those scratches. It's because it had no oil, basically. Yeah, we're gonna put the new crankshaft on. This is the clutch side, and we had to remove this to get the crankshaft out. So make sure it's good, just looking at it so I don't lose something inside. And yeah. Okay, so I put the crankshaft in, and it took me a long time to put it in. It was so hard, but this is the cylinder. I'm about to put it on, so I'm gonna put it on right now. And so I didn't record the whole build because it was taking me too long, and I just want to build it. And I just need a front sprocket. I ordered it already. It's gonna take long, but it's coming. I already ordered it. And yeah, I'll keep you guys on the build. Okay guys, so this is the bike right here, and I think I have to clean it. I have to clean it. I have to get a sprocket. We're actually gonna put it inside the apartment I live. But yeah, we gotta rebuild this. We gotta clean this.
Modern vampires of the city, hunting blood,
about to put the bike inside our apartment. Okay, so we modded the engine already. I can't wait to start it. I'm so excited right now. I just need to put the carburetor and the spark plug and the coil. And yeah. The bike started, guys. The bike started. Already started. This is first time starting after 3 years. I'm gonna let him rub it. I'm so excited. Okay, guys. So this is the outro. The video is gonna finish right here, but I'm gonna keep building the bike. If you like this video, subscribe, comment if you want to see more builds of this bike. I'm gonna keep building it, put new graphic kit, new seat, new everything, guys. I want to make this bike look like new. I got this bike from the junkyard. I can't believe I actually say that, but that's the truth, guys. The bike haven't started since like 3 years and I built it. It started today, but I'm gonna finish this video today. Yeah.